So let me show you how to factory reset or hard reset your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. Now, this is very simple. First thing you need to do is make sure the headphones are off. You can see mine are off because this is the app and you can see they're not connected. So that's the first thing you want to do. The next thing you want to do is find the power button, which is this button right here. Just bring it closer, the power button and the noise cancelling button. And you're supposed to press these two buttons simultaneously. Press and hold those two buttons for about 10 seconds and you're going to see this little light blink a couple of times and then turn itself off, and then you'll have completed the hard reset. So power button, noise cancelling button, let's press and hold together. 1, 2, go. Press and hold, just keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. There you go, there's a light blinking and then it goes off, and then now you can release and you have successfully hard reset or factory reset your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.